Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mohim, and in this video I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the DBrand original leather skin. Okay, so let's begin. This is the package that I received from DBrand. Let's see what's inside. This is a microfiber cloth with their leather edition logo. I have bought the black leather skin for my iPhone XS Max, so this is the skin. And this looks like a set of instructions. Purchase, delivered, and the last stage is to install, for which we will have to go to the DBrand website here. Let's watch the video on how to apply the skin. The skin is of very high quality and surprisingly feels and even smells like real leather. DBrand was not joking when they said it's 100% authentic. As per the video, let's start off with the camera skin. Just to be precise, I am going to use a seam ejector tool. I will stick one side down first and slowly remove the seam ejector. Then press down all around the skin. Now let's apply the back skin. Remove half the skin from the 3M paper and align with the edge of the back glass on the phone. Apply pressure to make sure it sticks properly and remove the rest of the 3M paper to apply the second half of the skin. Continue applying pressure all around the edges of the phone. I am using a hairdryer to apply the heat on all sides of the skin to curve the edges. Make sure not to overheat the phone in the process. Use the microfiber cloth what was included with the package to smooth down the edges. And yes, if you want to remove the skin, I have noticed that it doesn't make your device sticky. And if you like the skin and want to buy one, I will leave the link in the description below. You can find skin for your phone, laptop, and some gaming consoles as well. It's all done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I post.